الحمد لله حمدا كثيرا طيبا مباركا فيه كما يحب ربنا ويرضى والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء وإمام المرسلين رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. olunaku lwaffe olwaleero tugenda kulaba ku kye bayita huruful hijaiya. Huruful hijaiya lyerinnya erikuŋŋaanya ennyukuta zonna ez'Oluwarabu okuva ku alifu baau mpaka ku yaau. Kozi okuddako emabega katono, emisomo gyaffe gino si gya kuwuliriza kugenda nti ampulidde seeka byakola ki byasoma kujjukiza. Wabula gino egyaffe gya kuddiŋŋana oyige kino okiyige otandike okikozesa. Era mu abalabira ku mikutu abalabira ku ki tekigezaako kutiikiŋŋa mbw'olabye no kiddiŋŋane mpaka osobole okikozesa. Kubanga yo Qur'ani okugisoma si yakuwulira bagambye batya alifu bwezityo baasi so bwe tuba tudisomya akantu kaddiŋŋane okaddiŋŋane mpaka ebintu obikole ki obikwate. Eno yenjawulo n'emisomo emirala gyonna. Kati tuli ku kye bayita huruful hijaiya. Kikuyamba bw'omanya amannya g'ennyukuta zino. Lwaki? Okugamba nti omuntu bw'asoma Qur'ani buli nnyukuta afuna empeera 10 tekimala gava eri. Waliwo by'olina okumanya nga buli nnyukuta ogimanyi haqqaho wa mustahaqqaho, ogimanyi kwegamba obutuufu bwayo, ogimanyi ebitendo byayo, olwo olyoka ogambe nti yasomye Qur'ani mu butuufu n'afuna empeera 10. N'olwekyo buli emu yeetegeke. Ate funa akadde otuule ogambe leero bannange ndi bize ndi kukola ki, kubanga kino kyatteeka. Kati ennyukuta zino ziri 28. Ffe bwe tusomera wano kati abantu balina yasarna, balina buli omu waasomera, naye bw'onaawo ofunye gundi woosomera, ffe wano tugenda kati kuziwandiika mu mannya agaazo nga tetuziwandiise zo. Okusooka tuziyige amannya, bwe tunaamala oziyiga amannya tuzirabe ebitendo byazo ez'obutonyeze nga bwe twalabye ejjo ezitali za buki za butonyeze. Naam, esooka alif, baau, njagala n'okuwandiika eno, taau, katuddeyo kweri tewali buzibu, thaau, jim, haau, kha'u, dal, dhal, ra'u, zai, sin, shin, swad, blood, twa'u, dha'u, ضاء, عين, غين, فاء, قاف, كاف, لام, ميم, نون, واو, هاء, ياء. عين, غين, فوالو يبراكو عين تريم لبيغا mweri leta kiri ekipiira kyange ekiri awo mu motoka kireke endowooza tusememu bismillahi rrahmani rrahim alif ba'u ta'u tha'u jim ha'u kha'u dal dhal ra'u zai sin shin swad dad ta'u dha'u ain ghain fa'u qaf kaf lam mim nun waw ha'u ya'u. Tudem tusome bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alif hamza erimu alif. Hamza tugitutte nti erimu ki mu alif. Era bwe tuba tunaziwandika hamza tujja giwandika waggulu waki wa alif. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alif ba'u ta'u tha'u jim ha'u kha'u dal dhal ra'u zai sin shin swad dad ta'u dha'u ain ghain fa'u qaf kaf lam mim nun waw ha'u ya'u. Alif ba'u ta'u tha'u jim ha'u kha'u dal dhal Ra'u, Zai, Sin, Shin, Swad, Dad, Ta'u, Dha'u, Ain, Ghain, Fa'u, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Waw, Ha'u, Ya'u, Wasalam. Some mfenamu. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Ha, Dal, Dal, Ra, Zai, Sin, Shin, Swad, Dal, Twa, Tha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Waw, Ha, Ya. Naam, kati gano ge mannya amanya g'ennyukuta ezo. Kaakati tujja kulaba obubonero bwazo. Obubonero bwe butya? Kati erinnya, for example, ekyokulabirako, erinnya alif. Kati akabonero aka alifu tukakulage wano nti yiino wano alif. Mukitegeera? Kati enkya insha Allah tujja kuteeka wano erinnya n'akabonero. Nga bw'osoma alif ogitegeera nti eno eki alif. Ba'u nga nayo ba okola ki? Ogiraba. Kati wali kye tutaalina kyekino, twazirinaawo ennyukuta naye nga tetulina kiki? Mannya gaazo. Twazisomera wa? Wali we twasomera bil alfi ulfa wa bil ba'i baraka wa bita'i tauba. Awo we twazisomera. Waliwo alina kyagamba? Now, we are now changing to English. Today we are looking at huruful hijaiya. Huruful hijaiya, this is the name given to all the letters of Arabic. Those are the alif, ba'u, ta'u, up to ya'u. That is their general name. Huruful hijaiya. Right now, we are writing them in English such that you get the name. Then, after here, we shall get what we call the symbol. For example, as alif, name. What is the symbol for alif? The symbol for alif is the one you see here. Ba'u, this is the name. The symbol for ba'u is just this, with a dot. So, next time, that's what we are going to look at. For your information, this dars of ours differs from other presentations. Ours here, we are teaching you to learn, not to just listen. Whatever we are teaching, you must get it. How? You just have to look for means of getting it. But we are not teaching that you just listen and get to say, I've heard about that. No, it is you to get this and understand it, such that you can start using it when you are reciting the Holy Quran. It is always stated that when you are reciting the Quran, each letter you recite, you get 10 rewards. But getting the 10 rewards is not just going to come from anywhere because you have recited. You must be understanding, giving each letter its rights, its qualities, its everything. When you are understanding that this is ba'u, it is like this, it is read like this because of A, B, C, D. You must know each and everything such that you qualify to get the 10 marks for each letter. You do what? You recite. For now, this is what we have got. We are going to read them tomorrow. We write the name and the symbol such that you get to know. We are using these English letters to help you get to know the name of the symbols. After getting the symbols and the what? the names, we shall do away with English and then we focus on Arabic. Which Arabic? For learning how to recite the Holy Quran. So members, just give this dars time. Specify your specific time. Don't accept any disturbances from anyone. Don't accept anything that will hinder you from getting this, because it needs time. Quran to be easy, it needs time. It is not like a Friday sermon. You just sit and listen. No, it is a must. A true believer, as the Almighty states it in the Quran, الَّذِينَ آتَيْنَاهُمُ الْكِتَابِ, those members on whom we sent the book, يَتِلُونَهُ حَقَّ تِلَاوَتُهُ, they recite it properly, the proper recitation. So please, if you are Muslim and you don't know how to recite the Holy Quran, trouble is there. So please, let us wake up, stick on this darasa. It is always online. We have it on YouTube. Please, bear with us. Whether if it is your problem, it is you to know better. For us, this is our effort. We thank you very much. وبارك الله فيكم وجزاكم الله خيرا في الدنيا والآخرة وكثر الله من أمثالكم.
الله أكبر الله